Hello everybody, today we will be exploring how to use the clock app. So what you want to do is first find the app located in your screen and then open it. Once you're inside, you should be able to see there's 4 tabs at the bottom. We'll start with the alarm section. So at the alarm, what you can do is you press the plus button at the top right corner and you choose the time. So I want to have an alarm for like 4:34 a.m. And you can change like when it should repeat. So I want it to repeat Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays. You can change it to know what the alarm means. And then you can choose the ringtone in the sound section. And then I can choose to have the snooze option allowed. Because this is a very important alarm, I'm going to turn off snooze. Then you press the save button to bring it into your alarm menu. You can flip the switch to turn on the alarm or turn it off. If you want to delete an alarm, press the edit button and then press the minus sign. Like so. And if you want to edit it, another alarm, you just click the time. And then you can change the time. Okay, now that's the alarm done, we'll move on to stopwatch. This is a very easy one. So as you can see, we press start to start our stopwatch, and we get a timer starting, and it will keep going forever until we stop it. We can also see there's this lap button used to show if you're doing the same thing multiple times, seeing and improving in your time. So after 20 seconds, let's say if I stop it, and it'll keep the timer going, and it'll note how long that lap was. And let's say I finish the next one in 6 seconds. It also shows you what the fastest one is in green, and the slowest one in red. Then I can stop it. I can either resume, or I can reset it, and everything goes bye-bye. For the timer, what you do is you just scroll through these 3 wheels. You can choose how many hours you want, up to 0 to 23. So I am moving the hours, so I can change how many hours I want my timer to be. I can also change how many minutes I want it to be. So I'm going to choose 52 minutes. And then I can also change how many seconds I want it to be if I want to be super precise. I'm only going to choose 12. You can choose a ringtone. Just press the start button and it'll keep going. It tells you at the top around what time it's going to end. And the orange circle will keep slowly disappearing as the timer keeps on going away. Now we'll go to the world clock section. This is the first tab. You can use this to see what the time in all places all around the world are. You can also see at the bottom a big menu of times. A white clock would mean it's day, and the black clock would mean it's night. It also tells you what the time difference is from your location is, and when the sunrise and sunset is. To add one, you press the top, like so. And you can scroll through, or you can search a city. I want to know the time in Paris. So I open Paris, and now it's added Paris to my giant list. So now I can see the time in Paris is 11:18 p.m. If I want to edit them, I can press the edit button. This would allow me to delete some times that I don't want to have. And that is how you use Clock app. I hope this tutorial was useful, and if it was, please remember to like and subscribe. Bye!